Hello and welcome to an unboxing video of Now That's What I Call Now. 100 hits from 100 nows. So, just to say, we are really accepting your subscriptions and also your viewings of these videos. So, please keep it up, because we'll really accept it. So, now that's what I call now. So, first, there's a leaflet with also all the now covers and also the tracks and who they're by. And let's get to disc 1. So, my favourite tracks on this disc is Culture Club, Karma Chameleon and Frankie Goes to Hollywood Relax. And also, I really like Run DMC featuring Aerosmith, Walk This Way on Now 8. So, let's show. So, there's 5 CDs and there's 20 tracks on each disc. And also, the 20 are from the first 20 albums and so on. So, for an example, track 1 is from Now 1, track 2 is from Now 2, and so on. So, this is disc 1. And I'm going to show you the disc. And this is the only one I'm going to show. So, the colour of the disc is blue. And some of my favourite tracks on this disc is the first track, Karma Chameleon by Culture Club. And track 2, Frankie Goes to Hollywood, Relax. And also, I really like Europe, the Final Countdown. So, I'm going to show you the next disc, which is disc 2. And my favourite ones on this one is Lenny Kravitz on Now 24, Are You Gonna Go My Way, and also Saturday Night from Now 29. And Oasis, Don't Look Back in Anger from Now 33. And Hanson, Unbox from Now 37. So, I'm going to show you the next disc, which is disc 3. And my favourite ones on this one are Boyzone, No Matter What, Eiffel 65, Blue Dabba Dee, and S Club 7, Don't Stop Moving, and Justin Timberlake, Cry Me a River from Now 55, and The Shapeshifters, Lola's Theme from Now 58. So let's move on to the next disc. Disc 4. So, my favourite ones on this one are One Direction, That's What Makes You Beautiful, and also From Now 74, The Black Eyed Peas, I Got a Feeling. Now let's move on to the next disc. Disc 5. So, my favourites on this one are number 2, Kylie Rae Jepsen, Call Me Maybe, and also Gangnam Style, and Wake Me Up from Now 86, Happy from Now 87, and the movie it's from is Despicable Me 2. And also my other favourite is From Now 98, Havana, and From Now 100, Shotgun. So, that's my review of Now That's What I Call Now, 100 hits from 100 nows. So, bye-bye for now. Click here to watch more videos and click here to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye for now.